Hey guys, Paul here, and just wanted to make a quick video about this vacuum sealer that we recently received. And this is something that I've always wanted and just never really, wanted to splurge on or spend the money on. And so we are excited to have this. And I just vacuum sealed this ribeye, and that's going to keep this fresher longer, which is awesome. And then it helps you freeze food. Any air in frozen food is going to make it go bad faster. And so you want to get all the air out. And then this has the heat sealing, and so it seals it off, and so it's going to stay fresher longer. And this can do. There's a couple different options here. It can do dry, wet, and then there's a manual option for sealing. This is just for sealing. And then there's a manual option, pulse, for vacuuming out things. And so, obviously dry is if you have a food that doesn't have any liquid, and then wet is an option if it has any sort of juice or anything like that. And then you can just seal up things, which I think is kind of awesome. If you have a bag of chips that you ate half of, or we buy these huge bags from Costco, you can just seal it with the heat sealer, which is great. And it also comes with this straw attachment that you can it's like a hose, and this is for, you can either use this on a wine bottle to suck the wine out to store a bottle of wine that you have open, or they actually make little to-go food storage containers that have a vent on the top. You can pop this on the top of there and suck the air out of there, because air is what makes food go bad fast. So if this is this just pops in this little hole right here, and will suck air out of whatever. So that's that, and then I'm going to show you guys how to use it. So there's this little dip here, and that's where you vacuum things. So you put the bag opening down in there, and then you drop this little tray in, and then that's the vacuum chamber. And then as you can see, it's got the heat coil metal strip right here, and that's what heats the bag to seal it. And like I said, I just did this steak, and I'm going to do a bag of popcorn so you can see the dry setting. So I'm putting this in there. I might get the camera and move it over here so you can see it a little bit better. All right, so I got this bag of popcorn here, and you want to set your opening of the bag so that it goes in this little tray here, and then you put this piece in, and it holds it in place. And then this is the vacuum chamber that's going to vacuum the air out, and then this is going to seal it. So we'll shut this, press it firmly on both sides, and then we're going to do the dry option. So they have this manual stop button here for foods like this that have a ton of air, and so I don't think it knows to stop, so it would just keep sucking and sucking. So you can stop it. That feels great. This is done, and then I will hit the manual seal. You can hear kind of a little clicking sound. Okay. And then it switches over to red when it's done. And boom, all sealed up. Cool. I'm going to do this ground beef next too, so you can see the wet option. All right, so I set it in there. I put that little piece in, and we're going to see the wet option. Oh yeah, buddy. You love to see that. And then it's sealing it right now. So it sealed it all the way, paused, and then, or it vacuumed it all the way, paused, and now it's sealing it. Boom. Sealed. This is going to stay way fresher, way longer. Yeah, so, I mean, we just got this and we just started using it, but man, I am so excited for this thing. It's going to help us preserve our food, make it fresh, longer, and yeah, I'm really excited about this product.